back into the wind.
Oh, Captain! We're all unattacked!
Then I'll just have to steer instead, won't I?
Oh, good thinking, sir, good thinking.
So, hard to port!
No!
Hard to starboard! Hard to port!
Wow, this is like my last sobriety test.
Mr. Jiff!
Captain Red!
For the love of Alex Trebek, where's my rum?
He's Canadian. Very well.
I'm still sober.
Oh, good heavens, Captain. It's been almost 10 minutes since your last drink, you poor thing.
I know, my liver is regaining consciousness. Help me.
Come on, I'm on it.
Oh, yes, I remember. Hard to port.
What was that?
Mr. Jiff.
Hi, Captain.
You spilled my rum.
I know. Don't tell the captain.
Mr. Jiff.
Hi, Captain.
I am the captain.
Oh! Someone spilled your rum, sir. I blame Mother.
Mr. Jiff.
Hi, Captain.
You spilled my rum.
I know. Don't tell the captain.
Mr. Jiff.
Hi, Captain.
I am the captain.
Oh! Someone spilled your rum. Help! We're stuck in a loop. It's an anomaly in space and time. Oh! Everyone do anomaly arm. It's like Night of the Living Dead.
Go hide at the mall. Well, let's just check the pirate articles and see what it says about spilling the captain's rum, shall we?
Very well, sir. Check the particles.
For those two.
Yes,
Right. The index says see page 42.
42, sir.
Alrighty. Oh, look. It says here, I have to kill you. See? Yeah, in the head.
Well, that sounds reasonable, sir. It sounds reasonable. Do you mind if I defend myself?
Not at all, Mr. Jiff. Not at all. Remember, I'm extra reasonable.
You are, sir. You are.
I now have 50% more reason.
Yes, you do.
Very good. All right. Hold still so I can poke you. Oh, yes, I will. Oh, yes, I will. That was slippery over there. Yeah. No! My scapula. Oh, why you? After careful consideration, I have decided to give you a pardon.
Normally, I could never respect a man that would spare my life. I know me. But you, sir, you, Captain Red, I like the cut of your jib. Yar.
What does that even mean?
What's a jib, sir?
Yeah,
I don't know. I think it comes out of a chicken.
Well, then we are agreed.
Yes, sir.
So help me out.
Yes, Captain.